beautiful day to make Benachin in. We're in Gambia, and now we're on the way to the market to buy the ingredients that we need for the meal that we're gonna have today. No weapon they form shall prosper. As you guys see, we have arrived at the market. It's quite busy here already. So it was a good idea to start now. And Auntie's gonna guide us inside to get the fish. She will be picking the fish today. So we got our fish. Now it's on to the vegetables. It's quite busy here, as you guys see, but I'm really loving the environment and the vibe here. It's like it's so active. People are coming here early to get their morning vegetables and protein. This is one of the busy markets here. So many people. Well, for me, it could get very overwhelming by being in such a busy market. But when you're with veterans, it flows good. We're deep in the market right now. And now we're gonna get some spices, if I'm not mistaken. Auntie, this is what? This is the tomato paste we're gonna use, huh? Okay, okay. So since we're having the red Benachin, we're gonna get some tomato paste, and that's exactly what we got. Spinach, just another ingredient added. Yeah, man, even me, I'm overwhelmed with the rush. Because you're spending too much time in the studio, huh? It's a really special experience to be in this kind of market, because the world that we're from, you barely find these like this. This is authentic Gambian market. Oh, okay. I think we got everything that we need right now. So now we're making our way outside the market. Auntie, we are finished now, huh? Yes. That went very fast. But you are used to it, so you know exactly what we need. How are you? While Auntie is preparing the kitchen for us to see how she makes the food, we're just hanging at Singateh studio, listening to some tunes. We're at Singateh's compound, and Auntie, she has barely started with fish. Now she's gonna clean the fish. The food always gets better when the person who makes it loves to do it. Yeah. You see Grandma cooking the fish? She's cleaning it. Are you guys excited for tonight's feast? Yeah. Yes, Auntie, she just salted the fish. Benachin is a very, very popular dish in Gambia. And I think it's called cheboudien in Senegal, yes. Which is also basically the same dish. And it literally means one pot, like where everybody eats from it, and you can make it with chicken, beef. But like I said, today we decided to go for the fish, which is also my favorite. And another funny thing, this dish is called jollof rice in Ghana and Nigeria. And there's been a little bit of dispute about who has the best jollof or Benachin, but I'm not gonna go into that because I don't want to make anybody angry. Yes. It's okay. we have left here is the sauce and the aroma and all the flavors that the vegetables and the fish released.
Yes.
And all of that flavor is gonna be absorbed through the rice.
Yes.
Bismillah. There you go, guys. We start off by building off with the rice, and I guess that the vegetables and the meat is gonna be above. Now Auntie's gonna put all the vegetables on top.
And the fish.
And the fish, of course. This looks amazing.
Hi, Kelly. Nice to meet you.
Karim, nice to meet you.
I think you have to go down
Karim.
to-
Karim, I'm Jundu.
Jundu,
Yeah.
nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Guys, we're gonna have a feast right now. We got some guests as well.
No, dada ni nyimdo ke do.
This is heaven. Like a Look at the size of this okra.
Huh? Stand up there. No ni hata bit, ni esti bit. Because
Look at the distance. So he basically takes the cups, fills it up, and then he pours it back again to the can. And he does it like multiple times until the tea is properly mixed. It contains a whole lot of sugar, vanilla sugar, mint, herbs, water. Now it's time for attaya. The ultimate tea experience in Gambia. I can't wait for this. I mean, how can I describe it in words? It's the mint and the herbs and the vanilla sugar mixed together. Far away from a Lipton, far away from the other brands. This is, you don't get it anywhere besides here, the way they make it. We just had an amazing dinner. It's all thanks to Auntie Fatou. Thank you so much, Fatou. And thank you so much. I really appreciate the love, the hospitality, the food, everything. And I just wanted to give you the credit for everything, Auntie.
Thank you.
And may God bless you.
Thank you.
I mean.